1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
Hi, excuse me, sir. Do you know the way to the Badlands? Excuse me, sir. Do you know the way to the Badlands? Took a break from being on the road because we're at the Badlands. There's so much nothing. I've never seen so much nothing. It's like my Calculus 2 exams after I finished them. I've never seen so much nothing in one place. These are kind of cool. We're currently going to Custer State Park. Owen finds this humor. Hold on a sec. And we're gonna go on this deep safari thing. And there's gonna be like animals, and there's gonna be like cats and stuff. And we're gonna leave our hotel now.
Stones. I had a couple of lists to think of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got is doing a thing called the crocodile rock, while the other kids were playing on the dock. We were jumping in the river, saving big old crocs. Well, rockin' and rockin' is something shocking. Hands and feet just can't keep still. I'm always catching them.
It was a tree, it wasn't antlers. It's the wrong season for that. I'm literally crossing a river right now. Not a river, it's a stream. Still impressive, still impressive. Sorry I didn't show you guys that part, really. Owen is taking forever. We're gonna parkour, you ready? Here it is. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, that was nuts. I'm nuts. One's back there. I can't keep my balance. Good stuff, dang. Good stuff. Oh, there's a fall. Yeah, there's a little waterfall over here. That was poggers. That was poggers. Woo. Wow. What's my man doing? He just disappears into the trees. Go! Insane camera angle. Know that you're my superstar. Alright, I gotta go find Owen. He's up there somewhere. I'm trying to find Owen. Where did Owen go? I don't know where Owen went. Owen's literally gone. Is Owen down there? I thought he was up here. I thought Owen was up here, so I was coming up to get him. That's my grandma right there. I thought Owen went up that way, because I went up that side, he went up that side. So when I went to go get him, I didn't know he came back down already. He didn't. Oh, he didn't?
He was out ahead of you. We never saw him go up. We thought he was down at the bottom.
That's why I said I was going up there to get him. And you guys said, no, he's down here. After all that stuff, we went to go see the Crazy Horse Memorial, which is like this Native American dude who did a lot of cool stuff, and I don't really know all the information, but it was pretty sick. Here are a couple shots from inside of the museum, and there's also the giant statue out of rock that they're making, which they're never gonna finish. So I'm in probably the coolest restaurant ever. We just stopped here randomly. Check this place out. It's got copyright music, so I can't be in here too long. It's got an entire game area over here. It's got Craig, so it's automatically pretty cool. Pop culture stuff. They're playing Legend of Zelda up there on the screen. Also, there's air hockey over here that's always running. Foosball. There's a poster that says Mario Kart tournaments every week. Pictures that I'm not going to show you too much of because I don't know if they're bad or not. I didn't really look. The shelf is wonky. This place is so cool. There's an astronaut up there. And up there, you can't even see it. Up there it says Atomic Pizza Place on the wall with the spoons and stuff. All the tables have all these stickers all over them, stuck to them.
I bet you girls would do too.